So I love applying my concealer on first, and this will help me to color correct and also prime my lids. I'm not going to set them. I'm going to go straight with my palette. I'm using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This is really pigmented, you guys. So the first color that I'm using, I'm going to be applying it all over my crease, but bringing it outwards like you see right here, and this will help me to give me that lifted appearance because my eyes are more on the almond shape, so they can look droopy sometimes. The second shadow, I'm applying it the same way I did as the first one, but getting close to my lid as you guys can see, but bringing it outwards. So for the third shadow, I like to smoke out my bottom. I like to do that too, but I'm going to be just bringing it out in my third side and just smoking it out as you guys see. Now I'm going to be grabbing this shadow and using my finger to apply with because it's super pigmented and it glides like butter, and I'm applying it all over my lid. Then I'm using a brush to blend my crease if anything got on it, and then I'm going to be smoking out my lash line, and for that I'm using two Makeup Forever pencils, which are the Aqua XL. I'm using the first one in M60 and the second one it's like a black one and it's in M14, and then I'm going to smudge everything out. I think it's a must to curl your lashes before applying your mascara or your falsies. The mascara that I'm using is by Avon, True Color in Love. It's their new mascara, you guys, and I like it so far because the wand is really nice and fluffy, so it gives my lashes some volume and some length. And now for the lashes, I have two lashes. The first one is by Baddington Lashes in Monroe, which is a nice thin one. The second one, I cut it halfway. As you can see, the outer corner is more lifted, and that's the one in FLIRT by Beauty Creations. I love to smoke my bottom lash line. You guys know that I'm obsessed with that. Then after, I'm using the main LINDSTROM, the U2. It's a balancing facial serum. This is a must-have for everyone. It's amazing, you guys. I swear you need it in your life. So after that, for my foundation, I am using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Natural Beige, which is a really good foundation, even though it's not a foundation, but it works as a foundation. And then I'm using a damp beauty blender and just blending everything. It takes so long to do this, but I want to make it look like skin, so that's why I'm using a beauty blender. And then what I really do go thicker on is on the concealer, and I'm also using Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Nude for this. And I like to apply it close to my bridge of my nose, just to make my nose look smaller, but I love applying extra concealer, and it has to be 2 shades lighter. So for contouring, I'm also using the one from Born This Way in shade Toffee. To blend everything, I'm using a stippling brush. It doesn't even have no name, so just find whatever stippling brush you have. I really love this one. And then I'm going to be baking for a couple of seconds, and as you see, I'm applying it the same way as I applied my concealer. And like I told you guys, I leave it on for a couple of minutes, and then I go in with my bronzer. The bronzer, the one that I'm using, is by MAC, and it's the Baina bronze. I thought it said Brianna at first, but it says Baina bronze, and it's a beautiful, gorgeous bronze, as you guys can see. After I dust off all my baking powder, I contour my nose with the same powder by MAC, and I just concentrate on my nose so much because it really does make a difference. And then I go in with a beauty blender to blend everything. Now for my highlight, girl, I've been digging this highlight by Wet n Wild, and this one is their Golden Flower Crown. For my lips, I am using a different lip liner. Hallelujah. I moved away from my Milani lip liner, which I still love, so I'm saving it. I am using the Makeup Forever and Anywhere Caffeine. Really digging this Makeup Forever pencils, you guys. And I'm just going to line my lips, and for my lipstick, I'm using the Jennifer Lopez INGLOT in Flamingo. So she collaborated with INGLOT, and I was just freaking happy that I got a little bit piece of her collection, because this lipstick, girl, is fire. I freaking love it. It screams out J-Lo. And then I top it off with, I've been using this one so much, and this one is a lip gloss by Buxom in Begini. I'm going to be setting with 2 makeup setting sprays, and one by Iconic gives you a glowy finish, and then the one by Urban Decay, the All Nighter Setting Spray. It works amazing. I freaking love it. So there you guys have my signature makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.